Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where your Instagram account was randomly disabled or deactivated. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons. The first thing you want to understand is there's a way to go ahead and fix this, luckily, but only if you weren't actually violating their terms of service. So you can see from this specific message, it says, your account has been disabled for violating our terms. Learn how to, make sure you restore your account, whatever, right? So essentially, if you were doing a lot of inappropriate things on Instagram, if you were botting, I've seen a lot of that kind of stuff happen. If you were randomly just, commenting on a lot of people's stuff and you were using a lot of weird language and all that kind of stuff, like profanity and, I'm trying to say things without getting demonetized. If you were saying anything like that and, and violating their terms of service pretty much, then there's really no way you're going to go ahead and recover your account for the most part. However, if it was a mistake and if there was a way to go ahead and actually, tell Instagram like, hey, this was a mistake, whatever, then this is what you want to do. All you want to do is either you can click the Learn More button right there, which is the easiest way to go and go to the Recover page. But if not, you can always make your way over to Google and you can type in Instagram account disabled. Now, when you do that, you'll see a lot of different things come up. But what you want to do is you want to click that first little option that says Instagram Help Center. So you want to go ahead and click there. And what's going to happen is it's going to say, my Instagram account was deactivated. So it's going to tell you this form is for people whose accounts were disabled or deactivated or whatever. So that ends up being the case. What you want to do is you want to click on I understand and wish to proceed. And now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and pretty much explain to them and given all this information. So it says your name and it says name and surname. It's going to see, and you want to type in the exact email address of that specific Instagram account. If you don't have it, I'd recommend finding it because you're going to need it in order to recover that account. It's going to say content at issue. So it's going to say your Instagram account. So you want to go ahead and type in your Instagram account. And then it says, please explain why you believe the content should not have been removed. And essentially you can go ahead and explain, this is what's going on. I thought it was a term of service or whatever the case is. If you honestly think it was just kind of like, a mistake on their part, you just want to go ahead and input all your information here. And then you want to go ahead and add any files. I will almost always recommend you to add files here because it kind of proves your case a little bit more. So if you have anything that you can showcase, maybe the original image, maybe, the content, or maybe the comments that you left, if you have any screenshots of anything or whatever the case is, whatever the case is, you want to go ahead and put in that information here. And then you want to go ahead and click send. Obviously, you want to go ahead and click my content was removed to a violation of Instagram's terms of service, and I believe this content should not have been removed. From there, go and click send, and then Instagram will go ahead and view it. And within a couple hours, couple of days, you might be able to get your account back. And that's pretty much the fastest way to do it. If that still doesn't work, you can also reach out to Instagram again and have them take a look at your account too. So that's pretty much it. There's a couple different ways to do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.